Alright, change 19. I'm going to go out on the back side of this and I'm going to cut it way the frig back instead of dropping it the way I wanted to. I'm going to go to the lowest branch.
My tree up.
Hey, what's the deal? It ain't locking. Pinch the blade. It pinched the blade, dude. You gotta hit that side button. Yeah, you're welcome.
No problem.
Oh, fuck them little ones, dude.
What? I'm gonna go right through the big one.
No, come down here and cut it at the Y.
Come, that ain't locking.
Because I beat the shit out of it. Shit, I got too close to the knot. Well, reach up there, Jolly Green Giant. Pull that fucker down.
If I had the heart on, I could reach it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You got it now?
Can you cut what now?
The one that's laying on the ground, douchebag.
Now this other one will take off behind the Y. and just bring that whole pile of shit down. See how all that shit's coming down, hanging off it?
Okay, but why don't we take it right where you cut that one right off right there?
No, I'm going to take it right here.
Okay.
About 18 inches back.
Okay. We're going to drop this one.
And then you'll have some firewood for wagon burning.
That canvas goes pretty easy. You put a little bit of fucking whale oil on it.
Whale oil?
Yeah.
Where are you going to get whale oil in Nebraska?
From a fat squaw.
Oh, I mean Iowa?
From a fat squaw.
Okay, photos. There's a one-liner for you, buddy. Where do you get whale oil in the Midwest? From an Indian squaw.
From a fat Indian squaw.
A fat Indian squaw. How do you do that? What do you do? Just cut them and bleed them a little bit?
Nah, I just grab their tits, go like this, twist them, and they go, oh, and it comes right out of them.
More true interest.
Then if you really want to do it, squirt right out.
Are you dancing?
Sort of.
Oh, geez. Be back. Yep. Okay. Yeah, you're just a pussy, dude. You're dragging it from the wrong end anyway.
Well, that's the way.
Act like an Indian horse and drag it like you're fucking dragging one of your wounded fucking braves.
That end's heavier than that.
That's pretty light. You're just old.
Grab it and go.
I left you a handle on the fucker. I think ahead, dude.
Want some help, dude?
Alright. Busted knuckles all cleaned out. Ta-da! Till I climb the fucker. Take off the rest of that shit. Alright, coolness. Bye.